Experts say that the flu season is finally here, even though it's a little bit late to the party. And the allergy season is also here, even though it's a little bit early. And at the moment, many East Texans are getting a double whammy. The Center for Disease Control says flu season is finally getting started, and it hasn't been this late in nearly 3 decades. Sylvia Radcliffe with Mother Frances Hospital says here in East Texas, the season usually gets going in January.
We saw a few cases in January, but just over the weekend, we saw 6 cases of influenza come through the ER.
Radcliffe says there could be several reasons for the slow start. It could be our lack of a winter this year, or maybe more people are just getting their flu shots like they're supposed to. Aside from the flu, many others are coming down with something they really just can't identify.
The drainage and the itchy throat and the sore throat, and you just can't tell from one day to the next whether you have allergies or whether you're sick.
And experts say with spring flowers already in bloom, it makes for an earlier and troublesome allergy season. And it may be longer, too.
We haven't had that cold weather that kills off the mold. So that's causing people to have allergy symptoms. And then in addition to that, I think the tree season and the grass season is going to be very prolonged. So I think we're going to be suffering from now until probably the first or second week in July.
Something else bothering folks, so-called super bugs that are popping up in national headlines. Radcliffe has some simple advice as far as multi-drug resistant illnesses go. If you get prescribed an antibiotic, don't just stop taking it on your own when you feel better.
The only time you should stop any kind of an antibiotic is if you think you're having some kind of a reaction, you call your physician immediately.
And officials across the nation are reporting different cases of the neurovirus. The health department in Minnesota believes it was responsible for the bug that kept more than 200 students home in a single day in a single school up there. And of course, experts say the best way to stay well with any illness is to, of course, wash your hands, proper hand hygiene, and staying away from sick people. And of course, if you're sick, stay away from the well people. Reporting live in Tyler, Caisey, Claiborne, KETK News.
All right, Caisey, some good advice there. Thank you.